Hi everybody, welcome to this class. In this class we will study binary operator. In previous class we study about binary operator in first class of operator. So again we will revise it. Operator which requires two operands for their working are known as binary operator, and these operators remain sandwiched between two operands, and these are plus, minus, divide, multiply, lesser than, greater than, equals to, not equals to, etc. So we can classify binary operator into various types. First is arithmetical operator. Operator which we use for arithmetical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. All these are known as arithmetical operators. These operators need numerical operands for their working. We cannot use them for Boolean types. Means we cannot use them with true and false. Arithmetical operations, how we can perform? We can look this example. A equals to this. We have to sort out this problem. So first of all we will put value of MB and K. MB value is 5 that we have been put here, and K is value 19 that we put here. Again MB value is put here. Now this expression will solve according to the rules of precedence and associativity of operator. So according to precedence of operator, higher priority operator will solve first. We can look here into divide, and this divide are of higher priority as compared to minus and plus. So first of all this will execute, but because there are multiple operators of same priority, so they will execute from left to right. So in left, first we will solve multiplication. 5 3 is 15. In second case, this 15 divided by 4, 4 3 is 12 will get. In second case, this 19 divided by 4, 4 4 is 16, and in next case this 8 will divide 5 and it will become 0. Now the all higher priority operator has been solved, and the left priority operator, lower priority operator left. So to solve them according, again we will follow the operator precedence rule and associativity rule. According to associativity rule, these operator will execute from to left to right because they are of same priority. So first for 3 it will become 7, same will, and rest part will remain as such. Now 7 and 8 will become 15, and rest of the part will remain as such. Now it will become 10, and finally we will got 10. So like this we can solve arithmetical operator with the help of precedence of operator and associativity of operator. We will solve this problem with the help of this program. We will take a class arithmetical operation. Here we will take main method. No need of scanner class. We will take variable integer MB equals to 5 and K equals to 19. Integer A equals to MB into 3 by 4 plus K by 4 plus 8 minus MB plus 5 by 8, and we will print value of A. Solve this. We will save this program with class name arithmetical operation .java. To save, we will go to my computer, C drive, JDK 1.7 bin folder. Now we will open command prompt to execute this program. By cd slash will go to root drive, by cd JDK tab will go to JDK, then cd bin will open bin Javek arithmetical operation .java. We have to close this bracket. We can look here, answer is 10, and there is also answer is 10. So we sort out this problem correctly. Now Here is the exercise that we have to sort out. This exercise is based on arithmetical operator, so you have to do it at home as a practice, and if you have some problem you can ask me through a comment, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. If it is helpful for you, you can like this video, can share this video, and can subscribe my channel for more videos of related topics. And if somebody want to learn all these topics in Hindi, you can visit my second channel. Link of the channel is present under the description of this video. And beside this, if you want to learn theoretical concept, you can visit my blog, where all these programs, videos, and their theoretical concept you will found on a single page. Thanks for watching.